is getting complicated now. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
High five.
It's a timer. Let's go see if we can find people to be a secret surprise audience. Okay, we got some people.
Someone else in the room?
Hi, I'm Anna, and I've been playing piano almost my whole life since I was 7. And I'm here today with Julian. I am challenging Julian to learn a song in 20 minutes and then perform it blindfolded.
That's right. What she said, exactly. And I'm Julian. I've been playing piano since I was 6 years old. And today I'll be attempting to learn the Blue Danube with my eyes closed.
Do you have any thoughts in terms of how you're going to approach this?
I know that it's in our app, so I'll be listening to the left hand first and trying to find the keys as I hear them. Then I'll switch to the right hand and do the same. Sounds easy.
I think it sounds easier than it's going to be.
Do I get like a joker, like a phone a friend?
Yep, phone a friend, phone a coworker. I'll be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm also.
We're also friends too, though.
We are friends. Let us know in the comments what challenge we should try next, or what challenge Anna should try next. I have some ideas, but
we'll see. Let's see what you guys come up with.
Yeah, I think I got this.
Okay, cool. Well, if you need any help, you can call me.
Okay.
And otherwise, I'm looking forward to the performance.
All right, let's go.
All right. So bench is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you feel it?
Yes. Here's the piano. I recognize this. So I need to select just the. Anna?
Yep. I'm here. All right. What do you want? You want the left hand?
You select the left hand.
Yes. Okay.
Let's do it. Okay. Here it is.
Yeah.
We are in the key of D major.
I'm not giving you any answers.
Okay. Well, I know for sure that this is the right one. Okay.
All right.
Then it goes up. Mm-hmm. Something like this. Mm-hmm. Can we go? I mean, the counts. And then it's like, okay. And then?
You want to keep going with the left hand?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Actually, hold on. I think we should connect it to the other part. Yeah, let's see. I'm telling you. Yes, got it. Okay. Do I have to play the whole song? What key is this? Am I in D major again? Can you play it again? That was not a good sound.
10 minutes left.
10 minutes left, half time. Okay, this is more difficult than I thought. Can I phone a friend?
You can phone a friend. All right, show me the notes you have.
Something like this.
Okay. These 3 are right.
These 3?
These 3.
Okay. Is that it?
It is.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
High five.
Oh. Where do you think I am?
I forgot. Okay. All right. How am I gonna remember this chord? Okay.
Okay.
I saw there's one in between here. I have to, okay, these 3 are almost touching, these 2 are touching, and then we have one in between, okay. You know what, at this point, let's go back to the very beginning. I'll play the left hand through the entire way, and then we'll go into the right hand, because I have, how many minutes left?
8.
Okay, I'm starting you from the beginning. You ready?
Here where I am.
Go.
Oh, I feel like I'm in Vienna.
Yeah, right? That long second beat.
Oh, where's the pedal? Da, 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 da.
All right, how are you feeling about the left hand?
I'm ready, left hand's confident. Let's move to the right hand.
To the right hand?
Da, 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 da. That's easy. Da. And how in the world am I supposed to jump here with my eyes closed? Okay,
Do you want to phone a friend?
there it is. Yes, phone a friend. What's your tip?
This 4th note is an octave from where you need to go.
Nailed it.
Rockin'.
Da, 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 da. And then second time, da, 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 da. Oh, thanks, Anna.
Unlocked. That's what friends are
Okay,
for.
so I'm just gonna play a couple times so that my hands memorize it. Got it.
2 minutes left now.
2 minutes? What are you talking about? Let's go back to the right hand.
From the top.
Yes.
Okay.
And now back.
Close.
Okay, stop. Da 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 da.
Ready for the next chord?
Da 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 da. Yes. Is that it? Ba ba. Oh, that's a nice one. There it is.
Good.
A minute left now.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Your
Do you
clock
want-
is going faster than.
Do you want to
regular
finish the next little bit, or
Yes.
do you want to? Okay, the next little bit. Ready?
Da 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 da.
Yeah.
Huh?
And now
That's a beautiful chord, but what is it?
it's super close to a D major chord.
Where's the D major then?
Keep the bottom too. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
That's a good trick. Okay.
Okay.
Man, I feel like this is cheating, but
Takes a village sometimes. Do you
how
want?
much time do I have left? 10 minutes?
You have
2 hours? Oh,
this timer.
that's the.
It's a timer.
This timer.
All right, Julian.
Yes.
How you feeling?
You know, not gonna lie, my confidence was up here before the challenge. somewhere in the middle now.
Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. I know you're gonna do great.
Yes.
Do you want like a glass of water or something before we get
Oh
going?
yeah, why not? A glass of water,
All right, cool. I'll be right back.
eye drops.
Let's go see if we can find some people to be a secret surprise audience for Julian. Too bad Lulu isn't here because Lulu could have come and listened to Julian. Would either of you guys be interested in being a secret surprise audience for Julian? Okay, we got some people. Let's sneak over, be super quiet, he doesn't know you're coming, and then when he takes the blindfold off, he will probably be mortified, but also be really funny. So come on, how's that practicing going?
It's not going well.
It's not going well? You sound good, what are you talking about?
Da-da-da-da. Someone else in the room?
I brought your water.
Took you a while to get the water. Where were you?
I was just giving you more practice time. Julian, are you ready? Drum roll.
I'm ready.
All right. And now, learned in 20 minutes while blindfolded, Julian plays the Blue Danube. Very jazzy.
We didn't get to this part.
We didn't. No, you went even further than we got.
Da-da. I can only do the left hand for this one. Da-da-da.
Da-dum, ba, da-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum.
Oh my God.
Surprise! Every pianist deserves an audience.
Oh, that's so embarrassing. Anna, I'm gonna put this blind sign back on.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. It's so bright in here.
Dude, you perform well under pressure. That was so good.
I didn't know I was under pressure.
That was better than your actual practicing. Nice.
The 5 minutes that you gave me while you were getting water
Yeah.
really helped.
I think you did really well, and you should be proud of
Thank you.
yourself. Yeah.
Honestly, I don't think I could have made it without your help. The pointers that you gave me really helped.
Do you have any like tips? If you could look back to Julian 30 minutes ago and be like,
Yeah.
dude, X, Y, Z, or tips
sure.
for people who are gonna try this themselves?
Yes, so Julian, 30 minutes ago, bring down your confidence a notch. Stay humble.
One more question. So aside from like the comedy of doing something like this, do you think there's actually any real benefit to trying to play with your eyes?
For sure. I think this really trains your musical ear.
Yeah.
I don't know, some people maybe are born with the perfect pitch, I'm not sure, but you can definitely train your musical ear and hearing out the notes. So I think this is actually a great exercise for everyone. You don't need a fancy eye mask for this. Just to sit down at your piano, close your eyes, and try to play what you hear.
Well, I think everyone, we owe Julian like a huge round of applause for
Thank you.
being up for the challenge and for totally rocking the challenge.
I appreciate it. Thank you all for watching.
Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss our next challenge.
Should we like high five or something?
Ooh,
Yeah,
that was a solid
That was
high five.
good, solid. Okay. Do we just go right in?
This is the thumbnail, sorry, I'm just getting
Well, I'm a man of my word.
I'm a man. Somehow this fits you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the eyes.
Yeah, they look organic.
organic.